Hi guys! Welcome sa ASIC9. In this video ay pag-aaralan natin how to get the quadratic equation given its roots. Now, if you have a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0, the quadratic formula tells us that we have two roots, no? Yung quadratic formula, we have negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Dalawa yung roots natin. Meron tayong plus at saka meron tayong minus. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pwede ko yung pag-iwalayin, no? I can separate it into two equations. Meron akong x sub 1 na gagawin kong plus lang. And meron akong x sub 2 na minus lang. Now, what happens if I add x sub 1 plus x sub 2? So, for x sub 1, pwede ko siyang gawing negative b over 2a plus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Nakita niyo yung pagkakaiba? Dito magkasama silang sum, pero dito naghiwalay na silang dalawa. No? Bakit ko pwede gawin yan? Kasi sila ay similar fractions, no? Halimbawa, meron kang 5/9, you can decompose it to 1/9 plus 4/9. So, yan yung ginawa ko dito, no? Meron akong sum sa itaas, pinag-iwalay ko sila. Ibig sabihin, pwede ko ring gawin yan sa x sub 2, di ba? Pareho lang naman sila, minus lang yung pagkakaiba nila. So, I can copy this and gawin ko siyang x sub 2. Papalitan ko lang siya ng minus. Okay? If I add these two equations, kasi ito yung hinahanap natin, di ba, yung sum nila. Meron akong plus, meron akong minus. Ibig sabihin, pwede na yun makancel. No? Same expression, yung isa positive, yung isa negative. So, 0 na yan. Which means that if I add x sub 1 plus x sub 2, ang matitira ay yung dalawang negative b over 2a na i-add ko. So, this is negative b over 2a plus negative b over 2a. Again, similar fraction yan. Copy lang natin yung denominator. And then, i-add natin yung numerator. So, this is negative b plus negative b, which is negative 2b over 2a. Pwede ko i-cancel yung 2. Magiging 1, magiging 1. So, matitira negative b over a. Ibig sabihin, yung x sub 1 plus x sub 2 or the sum is equal to negative b over a. What about the product? Ano ang product ng x sub 1 times x sub 2? Balikan natin yung dalawang expressions, no? So, pag tinimes natin ito, we have minus yung isa, di ba? X sub 1 times x sub 2 minus itong nandito. So, i-multiply natin itong dalawang ito. What will be the product? X sub 1 times x sub 2 is equal to... Mahirap pa siya. Mukhang mahirap, no? Hindi naman, no? Tingnan mo yung numerator. Di ba pag nag-multiply kayo ng fraction, you multiply the numerators and then you multiply the denominator. Anong napapansin nyo? Difference of 2 squares siya, di ba? M plus n times m minus n, di ba? Yung m natin ay negative b, tapos yung n natin ay b squared minus 4ac. Ano ang ginagawa natin pag m plus n times m minus n? This is m squared minus n squared, di ba? You square the first term minus the square of the second term. That's the difference of 2 squares. So, ibig sabihin, square natin yung first term. Ano yung first term natin? Negative b. That's negative b squared. Minus, ano ang square ng second term? Pag ini-square mo yung square root of b squared minus 4ac, mawawala na yung kanyang radical sign. So, b squared minus 4ac na lang siya. So, yan na yan ang product. And then, for the denominator, we have 2a times 2a, we have 4a squared. For the numerator, we have negative b quantity squared is just b squared, and then minus b squared plus 4ac. Tatanggal na yung parenthesis, kaya magiging plus na siya, divided by 4a squared. Makakancel ito, magiging 4ac all over 4a squared. Nakakancel yung 4, divide by 4, 1, divide by 4, 1. Divide by a, 1, divide by a. May natira pang a, kasi a squared divided by a is a. Anong natira? We have 1 times 1 times c is c, and then 1 times a is a. So, the product is actually c over a. Alright? Again, the sum x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is negative b over a, and the product x sub 1 times x sub 2 is equal to c over a. Now, why did we go all the trouble to derive these two equations? Notice that yung original equation natin, x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Pag dinivide natin ng a yan, we have ax squared plus bx plus c all over a is equal to 0 over a. We have ax squared over a plus bx over a plus c over a is equal to 0, kasi 0 over a is 0. And this is equal to x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. Familiar ba? Meaning the sum of the roots is actually the negative of the coefficient of x, and the product of the roots is equal to the constant ng quadratic equation natin. Okay, so let's have one example para mag-sink in. Suppose you have a quadratic equation with two roots. The one is negative 2 and the other is 7. So x sub 1 equals negative 2. And the other is 7. X sub 2 equals 7. So x sub 1 plus x sub 2 equals negative 2 plus 7, which is equal to 5. So negative b over a is equal to 5, which means that b over a is equal to negative 5. May negative ka dito, you can just multiply by negative 1 para matanggal yung negative sa b over a. And then yung c over a, which is the product x sub 1 times x sub 2, is equal to negative 2 times 7, which is equal to negative 14. So c over a is equal to negative 14. And pag sinubstitute natin dito, magiging x squared minus 5x. Kasi yung b over a natin ay negative 5. And then minus 14. So ito na yung quadratic equation na may roots na negative 2 tsaka 7. Alright, so sana ay maliwanag. No? I will have more examples in the next video in this series. So abang-abangan nyo lang. That's it. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. I'll see you in the next video.